I hope you can see the seagull. And if you notice, there's a reflection in the water. And this is always what Dave is talking about, a reflected reality. That there's someone or something creating a false reality. So in the analogy of Plato's cave, it's a group of people that are chained in a cave, and there's a big fire behind them. And also behind them are the controllers who are creating, you might say, a reflected reality, or the shadows on the wall. And that's all these people see, are those shadows on the wall. So they know nothing of reality. And then the story goes, one of them escapes, and after they escape the cave, they don't really believe that. Hey there, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, buddy. Anyhow, they don't really believe that the reality out in the real world is the true reality, because they've been chained to the cave for so long, and all they have seen are the shadows on the wall. So once again, this water here created a reflection for the seagull. You got to see the seagull reflection. And you got to see the reflected reality that was created by the seagull. So the controllers control what you see and what you hear. And as they control it, they just reflect it to you in the media. And that can be any form of media, television, radio, print, internet, whatever. As you can see, I'm at the beach here. I'm actually at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, for some travels and vacation. And I wanted to do a print on that idea of the reflected reality. You can see a little bit of it. Here comes my buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Now that's reality right there. That little puppy. There he goes. You can see the reflected reality right there as the people are standing. There's a little bit of a reflection in the water. So if you can imagine, they are the controllers, and they are creating something for you to see. And what you see is the reflection in the water, because they are just creating it. So I hope I explained it. And once again, all thanks to Dave J. for his fine work. And I sure hope I got it correct according to what Dave would want and David would say. But the reality that you think is real is not really real, because it's created and then reflected out to you from a media, from a medium. Whether it be print, television, or radio. Well, there he goes. Okay, coming to you live from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Hope you enjoyed this.